Peter came highly recommended from our own daughter. They sold the house in just a couple of days.
From there, we kind of, heard about Peter, and then we met him.
Peter somehow exuded confidence.
He knows what he's doing. He has strategies in place that we found other, realtors did not have. And you know what, with Peter, thankfully, it was a good experience.
I realized that Peter's insights are extremely valuable. The way he participated in our decision making really helped us in being able to sell the house in just 1 or 2 days. So he had some strong track record. And when we found out that he has sold so many houses over the past couple of years,
I think he said he sold 51 last year. Anytime we'd send a text to say, you know what, within 10 minutes, 15 minutes, he would answer us. He never ever did not answer a phone call or a text from us. So I think
he was very accessible.
Actually, already talked to our neighbors across. She had come over and she was talking about, the house, and she wanted to know who Peter was. But I had his magnet on the fridge, so I just tore that and gave it to her. So I would recommend him, definitely. And the fact that he's always impeccably dressed.